Let to give all praises, all honors, not glory unto you. How will Shemel Shay? Double on my cross green mills, double on my fucking slug, double on my past great millstone, double on my knocking around fucking lose truth and knowledge and sincerity. So I'm talking off for the watch. Taylor was really close to bring them pretty much on examining receiving faith or not, you know. This is gonna be Luke 9, verse 62. And no man put his hands to the plow, looking back, how kind of there's from just saying like put your hands to the plow, you don't look back. You may make mistakes, but you just keep it moving. You know, you can't be all like, shit, I made this mistake. Looking back at it, I can't continue on. You know, I can't like that. I gotta just keep moving forward. It's just gonna be telling yourself, see your faith or not. You know, it's gonna be apocryphal. It's gonna be Sirach 2:1. So Sirach 2:1. It says, "My son, if thou comes to prepare, which makes to make ready, that's self temptations. Pray for people trying to make go off and everything. Just pray for all those things. Pray for you, for your own mind to make you want to go off. Prepare for just many things that you need to pray for from the prophet of the Lord. You know. Slovakia. So that would be 2 Corinthians 13:5. Corinthians 9:16. Kind of says, examine yourself, which words ask me to look within yourself. It says, examine yourself, see, examine yourself, whether ye be in faith, prove your own self, know ye not your own self, how that Yahshua is in you, except you be reprobates. It's constant, right? That's from just saying that. Examine yourself, you know, and see whether you be faith or not, you know. As I said, I'd like to give all praises, all honors, not glories to Yahweh. Shy. The ones in posture, master, great milestone, teaching to do well. Shout out to Yahweh for gold with truth. Knowledge and sincerity. Shalom, walking, keep plowing, stay in faith, keep pushing. We're almost out of the kingdom, you know. That was to say shalom. Come out, show.